Want to spend less time on chores and more time doing what you enjoy? These Amazon smart home gadgets are designed to automate everyday tasks, making cleaning, organizing, and home management easier than ever. From clever time savers to viral innovations, these picks can transform the way you take care of your home. All the links are in the description below. Your floors have never been this taken care of, and you haven't lifted a finger. This robot vacuum and mop does it all. Vacuums, mops, empties itself, and cleans its own mop pads automatically. With 20,000 Pascal suction, powerful enough to pull up cat litter, crumbs, and fine dust in one pass, nothing gets left behind. Retractable legs let it climb over door tracks and thresholds, while the low-profile mode slides it under sofas most robots can't reach. It extends its brush and mop all the way into corners, and a dual brush system handles long hair without tangling. 5 carpet modes protect your rugs while keeping hard floors spotless. Control it by voice or app. This is what a truly clean home looks like on autopilot. Dinner's ready before you even feel hungry. This smart countertop oven skips the wait entirely. No preheating, ever. Just pick one of 11 cooking modes: air fry, roast, broil, bake, toast, pizza, cookies, and more. Its zero preheat technology targets your food directly, so it hits the perfect temperature fast. The one-touch door swings up and over, so you're never reaching past hot steam to grab your meal. You can control it with your voice, set timers remotely, and follow guided step-by-step recipes right from your phone. It even shuts itself off when cooking is done. Big enough to handle a real meal, smart enough to handle the thinking for you. You haven't touched a trash can lid in years, you just don't know it yet. This motion sensor bin opens the moment your hand gets close and closes quietly on its own. No touching, no foot pedals, no mess. At 50 liters, it holds more than most, and the liner-free design squeezes out an extra 25% of space, so you're emptying it less often. The brushed stainless steel exterior resists fingerprints and smudges, so it actually looks good in your kitchen. 4 AA batteries keep it running for up to 8 months. It's one of those things you didn't know you needed until you have it, and then going back feels unthinkable. Stepping out of the shower into a cold towel is a small tragedy. This foldable towel warmer fixes that for good. Drop in your towels, robes, or blankets. It fits 2 full-size bath towels plus a robe at once. 3 heat settings let you dial in exactly how warm you want them, and a built-in timer means your towel is ready exactly when you step out. It even has aromatherapy slots that release a gentle scent, so the whole experience feels like a spa. When you're done, it collapses down to a compact size that tucks away easily. Auto shutoff keeps things safe, a soft ambient light adds atmosphere, and a remote control means you never have to leave the couch to get it started. That stain has been staring at you for weeks. This steam carpet cleaner is about to end the standoff. It works on carpets, rugs, couches, car seats, and even hard surfaces. 4 cleaning modes let you match the method to the mess. Crank it to 212 degrees Fahrenheit steam to blast out deep hidden stains. Drop to hot water for grease, or use cold water for a quick refresh. The 17,000 Pascal suction, strong enough to pull out deeply embedded dirt and moisture in one pass, leaves fabrics genuinely clean, not just surface level. The detergent tank lasts up to 30 days, and when you're done, one button flushes the hose clean automatically. Portable, lightweight, and surprisingly simple to use. Every junk drawer has a screwdriver rattling around in it. This isn't that. This cordless electric screwdriver has a smart display that shows your torque level and battery life at a glance. No guessing, no stripping screws. 6 torque settings let you go gentle on delicate electronics or power through furniture assembly without switching tools. A light press spins slowly for precision work. A full press kicks into high gear for speed. It comes with 30 bits covering 20 different types, all neatly stacked in a compact cylinder so nothing gets lost. A built-in 360-degree LED lights up tight corners and dark spaces. Rechargeable via USB-C and built to last. The kind of tool that makes you actually enjoy fixing things. If you have more than one pet, you know the chaos. One finishes their bowl and moves straight to the next. This smart feeder puts an end to that. It reads your cat's microchip or included tag and only opens for them. Nobody else gets in. You schedule up to 10 meals a day from your phone, set exact portion sizes, and check feeding activity wherever you are. The 16-cup capacity means fewer refills, and a backup battery keeps meals coming even during a power outage. It works in 2 modes, locked down tight for strict eaters, or open until an unauthorized pet wanders over. For multi-pet homes where every animal has different dietary needs, this is the upgrade that actually solves the problem. Winter is coming. You, however, are staying inside. This robotic snowblower runs completely on its own, day or night, the moment snow starts falling. It maps your property using AI vision and GPS navigation, then clears a 24-inch wide path through up to 12 inches of snow without you lifting a finger. Wet, heavy, hard-packed, the 2-stage system handles it all and throws snow up to 40 feet out of the way. Built from heavy-duty steel, it's engineered to take a beating season after season. Control it from your phone, and it gets smarter over time with automatic software updates. Shoveling is officially retired. This is what winter looks like when technology does the heavy lifting. Your floors worked hard to look that good. This floor guard system keeps them that way. It's a dispenser pod that wraps a fresh disposable film layer over your shoes every time you step inside. No bending down, no fumbling with shoe covers. It fits any shoe size and layers can be reapplied each time you re-enter, so one kit goes a long way. Each starter pack comes with enough film for 187 pairs. It's faster and easier than traditional shoe covers and costs a fraction of what a floor repair would. Muddy boots, dusty work shoes, wet soles, none of it touches your floors. No dryer, no problem. This compact portable dryer fits anywhere: apartments, RVs, campsites, hotel rooms, and gets clothes dry in as little as 50 minutes. It holds up to 9 items at once, using a combination of heat and airflow to pull moisture out fast. A built-in UV light sanitizes as it dries, so your clothes come out fresh, not just warm. It runs whisper quiet, so no rumbling through your walls or waking anyone up. Set the timer, walk away, and come back to dry clothes. It folds down small enough to pack in a suitcase and uses less energy than a full-size dryer. For anyone without laundry in their building, or anyone who just needs a smarter option on the road, this one delivers. Pizzeria quality pizza in your backyard in 5 minutes flat. This propane-powered oven blasts up to 750 degrees Fahrenheit and uses a patented dual burner system that combines convection and infrared heat to cook every pizza evenly from edge to edge. The 16-inch stone rotates automatically, so you never have to hover and spin it manually. Just slide your pizza in and let it work. It's ready to cook in 12 minutes from a cold start, and each pizza is done in about 5 minutes. Light enough to take to a tailgate or campsite, it runs on anything from a full propane tank to a small canister. Shoveling snow by hand is a choice, just not a good one. This cordless electric snow shovel launches snow up to 25 feet away with a directional dial that lets you control exactly where it lands. A brushless motor runs quietly, lasts longer than traditional motors, and handles up to 6 inches of snow across a full 3-car driveway on a single charge. 2 speed settings give you control between light dustings and heavier snowfall. When winter's over, the shaft folds down for compact storage without taking up your whole garage. Your back will thank you every single time. Great footwork can make all the difference on the soccer field. This training mat helps you improve ball control, coordination, and agility through guided movement patterns that are easy to follow. The printed markings give you clear drills to practice, helping you build faster feet and better touch with every session. A return trainer net keeps the ball coming back, so you spend more time training and less time chasing it. Lightweight and portable, it lets you sharpen your skills almost anywhere, from the backyard to the local park. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.